In today's video, I am going to share with you how I'm going to clean my home with all natural homemade cleaners, and I'm going to share with you a few cleaning hacks that has been working amazing. And as you can see, the fireplace, I cleaned that one, and also the shower door had some hard water built up that I was able to remove. To see what I used to clean the shower doors, stay till the end of this video. Today my husband and the boys are going to work on the greenhouse. They are putting it together, and then meanwhile I was thinking I'm going to tackle the inside. I have things that I like to do every day just to keep everything smooth and running, and that would be including the dishes as well. But today I am going to clean some areas that I don't get around that often, and also I discovered a few things how to clean, and I'm so excited to share that with you. I have some procrastinated stuff around in this closet. Since we moved around Christmas time, actually a few days before Christmas, I had some things from that time that was lingering around, and I was keep putting it off to put it away. So today was the day. I went through and look what I find. I mean, there's always some kind of strange things that I find in this type of boxes when we just set it aside and deal with later boxes. So I'm just putting away all the rest of the Christmas ornaments, and now finally the floor is empty in this closet. After I'm done washing the clothes, I like to leave the door open, and also this little drawer is removable. I like to take it out and let it sit dry on the top. To prepare a quick snack, I used some smoked salmon that was a leftover and I just had a little bit in the refrigerator, some cooked corn, and whatever I find in the refrigerator, some peppers and anything that's kind of like goes well in that mayo mixed salad. But I just love this so much because all the leftovers can go in there and it tastes delicious. Right before we moved, I had a few clothing items that I set it aside to donate. And what I like to do with my friends, that we set aside the clothing that we don't need and we just swap around. So that way I get many favorites, and some of the ones that I don't use anymore, my friends like to use it. So before we donate anything, we just like to share it with each other. When it's time to put away the laundry, my boys are really good with that, but today they were putting together the greenhouse, so I did it for them. Here's a little folding trick, and I like to use that for the thicker, bigger socks, because if I make it into a ball, it can really stretch out the elastic. So that way I'm folding it, it keeps everything its place, so it's easier to grab it from the drawer, but it doesn't stretch out the elastic. Recently, I bought in the other dresser into this closet because just for the little things like underwears and socks, it's just good to have a drawer and a dresser. And for now, with Mac's room, I had to rearrange things, and there's a lot coming because we bought a dining table. So that's what started the whole thing because that table that we had previously there, my old desk, went into Max's room, and I was able to bring in the shelves that we had so he can put his Legos on that instead of the drawer. So as we're living here for a longer time, we can figure out all the things, how we use it and how it's practical to organize it. For next, I am going to clean this fireplace that I was putting up for a very long time. But I have to say a huge thank you to a few of my subscribers who left this amazing tip that I should try to use ashes on the glass because that will clean it. Oh, guys, that works amazing. So thank you so much for this amazing tip because I tried that and it works amazing. I mean, you're gonna see how dirty is this fireplace, especially the glasses, and how clean it will be. It's like brand new. So thank you again for this amazing tip. I used is just my homemade window cleaner, which is 50% of alcohol and 50% of water, and I just dipped this paper towel into the ashes, and that's all I did. It was scrubbing off all these gunky, burned on black things from the glass, and it just turned back everything into, it's like it was brand new. Since it was a busy day, I just made the quickest lunches possible because I didn't realize the time. So I had basically 15 minutes to fix the lunch because the boys were starving. And I'm just saving the water from the rinsing of the rice, and I will use this to water my plants because it's a good way to fertilize them. And this is the world's simplest lunch. I just used the Costco organic meatballs, and I had some asparagus that I cut up to little pieces the previous night, and I'm just put some bacon fat underneath and add some salt to it, and I started to cook the rice as well. And the secret to have this amazing taste is just I like to use some coconut aminos on the end when it's almost done. You have to be careful because it burns really fast, but it makes this caramelized layer on the outside, and it just tastes amazing. While the rice is cooking, I'm going to clean up the rest of the dishes. So once we are going to be done with the lunch, I only have to clean up the place that we are going to eat from. Okay, I'm about to try some crazy thing. I'm really impressed how that ash washed off everything of that window. So maybe it's a crazy idea, but I am going to use a little bit on the shower door to try to take up some of that hard water built up. Maybe I'm going to end up with a very dirty shower, but I have to give a try. I don't know how much you can see the build-up. Oh, let's try. Okay. Oh, ow. Let's do that. Let's do down here because it's just more visible than on the shower door. This feels weird. Wow, it's very slippery, so it might be working. Let me see. Whoa. Wow. Am I crazy if this is really working? Wow. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Holy cow. Guys, this is working so well. I can already feel, like first when I start to clean, it's kind of like sticky, and then all of a sudden it gets very slippery, so it's working. After this long working day that the boys put together the greenhouse and I cleaned all day, and we're just going to prepare a very quick, simple dinner. We are going to have some leftovers from the refrigerator, and some of us just fixing some omelette, and we're just going to take it easy tonight and rest. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to help my channel, please share it with other platforms and friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!